We're going to explain how to reset an identity column in SQL Server. There are several ways to achieve this, depending on your specific needs. 1. Using DBCC checkident. This is the simplest method for resetting an identity column to its next expected value. If you've deleted rows and want the identity column to continue sequentially from where it left off, this is the command to use. The syntax is DBCC checkident, your table name, reseed new seed value. Replace your table name with the actual name of your table. New seed value is the value you want the identity column to start from. For example, DBCC checkident, my table, reseed, 1, will reset the identity column in my table to start at 1. This is useful when you want to continue the sequence after a bulk deletion operation or want to force the next inserted row to have a specific ID. 2. Truncating the table. Truncating a table will reset the identity column to its seed value. The syntax is simply truncate table your table name. This is a quicker method than deleting rows individually and automatically resets the identity. Be cautious, as truncating a table permanently deletes all data. Always back up your data before truncating a table. Recreating the table. This is the most drastic method. You'll need to create a new table with the same schema as the original, then insert the data back in. This completely resets the identity column to its seed value, but allows you to restructure or alter the table definition if needed. This involves backing up your data, dropping the table using drop table your table name, and recreating it using create table your table name, and then inserting the data back using insert into your table. Name select from your backup table. This is useful if you need to perform table changes. Remember to replace your table name and your backup table with your actual table names. 4. Alter table and identity insert. This approach allows you to insert rows with specific identity values, even if identity insert is off. First, you turn identity insert on using set identity insert your table name on, then insert your rows with specified ID values. After you're done, turn it off using set identity insert your table name off. Be extremely careful when using this method, as inserting duplicate identity values will cause errors. This is best for very specific scenarios where you need precise control over identity values, but should be used with caution. Remember to always back up your data before performing any of these operations. Choose the method that best suits your needs, and always test your solution on a development or staging environment before applying it to production. The choice depends on whether you need to preserve data, how much data you have, and whether you need to modify the table structure. Carefully consider the impact of each method before implementing.